Bathing with Shay. I know you didn't expect to see me so soon. I just posted a video literally last night. And I wasn't even gonna do one today, but I was trying to put together a deal at Target. Well, for starters, if you're new here, duh. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this living picture here, I am Shay. Shay with the pal. Look at that. Oh, I did biceps and triceps today too. Biceps and tricep. Ooh. Who's she? Oh, that kind of hurt. But anyway, so listen, definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like my Twitter girl. And of course, don't forget to hype your girl up. So, I wasn't going to do a video today, but I was trying to put together a deal for the 10 off of 40 at Target. And I was trying to see if I could get something to work between, you know, check out 51 offers and Swagbucks. You know, a lot of you guys asked, what are the sister apps? The sister apps are Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox Sada, Easy Bucks, Upromise, and the third cousin sister of another mother. I don't want to be like that because I know that the Be Frugal does work for some of y'all, but it just doesn't work for me. I haven't completely given up on them. I'm gonna keep trying because, like I said, it helps that it is working for some people still, and so I probably will try them again one day. And so that's what the sister apps are. We refer to them as the sister apps because they have the same identical offers. Now the amounts do vary from app to app, so that's why I always say I'd rather have them all. I'd rather have them all and have more options because some apps may have different amounts. And so yeah, of course my links are in the description. And so I'm going to share that 10 off of 40 deal with you. But I was watching My Best Deals when I was on my way up to Target. And she did this deal on this G word. And I was like, girl. I'm going to Target right now. And I was like, I have to try it. So she got the Gain Liquid and she got the Gain Flings. Is that what they call them? Gain Flings? Gain Flings. But my store was completely out of both, and I would have preferred the Gain. I sell Gain and Tide. They both sell pretty good for me, but I feel like Gain does tend to sell a little bit better. And so they didn't have that, so I was in there scanning. Well, for starters, the deal is buy 3 laundry products at $8.99 or more and get back a $10 gift card. But it's G wording. It did this before, but I never did it. And so it's working on the cheaper items too. And the Gain, I think she got them for like $5 and change. And so I started scanning some of the cheaper products. It does work on the Tide Pods, and these were priced at $6.79. This was the cheapest product that I could find that it was working for. You want to check your you could scan it with your Target app. You can scan it at the red box machine. It'll tell you if it's working for that promotion. And so these were $6.79. It does work on the liquid. They had like a smaller 37-ounce liquid downing one for like, I want to say it was $7.39. And they also have a regular liquid, which is a 40-ounce, and that one was, I think that one was the same price. Those work as well. But I got these because they were cheaper, and I pretty much got the last 9 that they had. Paid $61.11. It's a high out of pocket. Yeah, I know. Getting back $30 gift card, which I did. Did I?
Let me show you the gift card. I mean, it could be a blank one. How would you really know? What does it matter if I show it to you? Well, it'll be on my receipt. Where's my gift card? Where's my gift card? Here it is. But how would you know? It could be $2 on it. How would you know? You wouldn't know.
Anyways, $30 Target gift card. And then I'm going to also submit for the P&G. It's the new one. It just started on the 1st of March. It's spend 50, get back 15. So we've met that as well. So it's going to make all 9 $16.11. Are only $1.79 each. Do you want to see them? Because I'm going to see them. Some of y'all be visual people. And you be like, look, Shay, I don't believe you, Shay. My car smells so good. I don't believe you, Shay. No, you didn't. No, you didn't buy 9. No, you did not buy 9. I bought 9. Yeah, I bought 9. And so that was an awesome deal. Y'all know I'm a reseller because we don't even use pods at the house. We use liquid. And so we're gonna probably sell those 2 for $6. 2 for $6 or 2 for $7. I think I normally sell those 2 for $6 though. So that was that deal. That worked out perfect. So I cannot thank my best deals. Maya? I don't know if it's May or Maya or Mia. I be just saying my best deals. But anyways, if you're not following her, go follow her, y'all. And so let me show you my 10 off of 40. So I was trying to see what kind of deals I could put together between Checkout 51 offers and Swagbucks, because I don't know if I've ever really stacked them both at Target. Obviously I do it at Walmart all the time. And so I'm gonna give you what I did, and I'm gonna pop in another option as well. And so the first thing I grabbed was the Voltaren, this one right here. This is the smaller one. It's priced at $12.29. It's the 50G one. You want to grab one of these. And the reason that I did this deal too was because I was going to Target because I had some field agent jobs and I had a buy and try, and this was one of the products I had to get. The Mando deodorant, and this was priced at $11.99. So already getting this, I'm getting the price of this back. I was like, okay, all I had to do was build onto this. And so that was field agent. And then the other thing I got was the first response, and this is priced at $8.39. And then last but not least, I happened to check and see if this would work for the 10 off of 40, and it did. I normally get the regular bags, but I kind of low-key been wanting to get the 4-pack. And I actually like this flavor. It kind of like throw you off a little bit because it's chicken and waffles, but I actually really liked it. I was like, okay, I like these. And I like that it's a 4-pack because your girl is greedy. I'm a greedy. I will eat the whole damn bag. Literally, eat the whole bag. I don't know how many servings is in it, but I'll eat the whole bag. So, I mean, hell, ain't nothing stopping me from eating all 4 of these bags either. Let me just be honest. And so this is priced at $8.99. Okay, that total's gonna come to $41.66. That 10 off of 40 is gonna come off. That'll bring it down to $31.66. And then getting back, well, because the way that 10 off of 40, it comes off each item, so it brought the deodorant down to $11.11. So getting that back, well, it actually brought it down to $9.11, but then $9.11, yeah. But they're giving you $2 to do it, so you're getting back $11.11 from field agent. And then after the 10 off of 40, it brought the wild chips down to $6.83. So getting that back through aisle, and that was because a lot of you guys have been using my referral link. I think I have like 3 more, and so yeah, $6.83 from aisle. And then I also submitted for $5 for this on Checkout 51, and $3 for this on Checkout 51, as well as Swagbucks. Now I did do Swagbucks first, and I've kind of been playing with it lately. And I've been doing the sister app first and then Checkout 51. And to be honest, y'all, I ain't been having no issues at all. Like, and I don't know if it's because the sister app goes into review. All the manufacturer offers, they always go into 4-day review. Sometimes they clear sooner though. And so these went into review on Swagbucks. And as far as Checkout 51, it's still in review. It hasn't cleared yet that I know of. And so getting back 8 from Checkout 51 and 8 from Swagbucks is gonna make all 4 of these products here a $2.28 moneymaker, which is not bad at all. And then of course I have field agent jobs too, so even after that, it's gonna make all of this free anyways, which is really, really cool. Let me show you my receipts really quick. This is the I don't want you to see where I am. Well, most of y'all know I'm in Victor Valley. Not a secret. I'm in a hot ass desert. Well, it's warmer today, which is good. Okay, so this is the Tide, and I still haven't submitted my receipt to to P&G, and I'm gonna do it when I get home. Okay, so there goes the Tide. I bought 9. When you get these, y'all, make sure you check them, because when I was grabbing these, because I had to climb up there. I mean, obviously, Target's shelves ain't that high. They're not as high as Walmart. Walmart, you climbing a damn tree. Target, they're not that high. So I was getting the ones way in the back. So be careful with it, because I did grab an 8 count and a 9 count. And when I was waiting in the self-checkout line, I realized that some looked smaller, and that was why. The 9 count did say it was a part of the buy 3 get 10. But when she went to scan it with her thing, I guess it wasn't showing a price. So she asked whoever, manager, whatever, and they said they would give it to me for 5, which is really not that big of a reduction, because a 20 count is $6. So why would I want to pay $5 for 9? I'm not a dummy. And so I didn't get that one. I just got the 9. Luckily they had 9 of the 20 count though, so definitely check first, because you want to make sure you're getting 20 count and not 8s and 9s. And I don't even know why the 8s and 9s was up there, but I know that 8 count, I think the 8 count did scan. It was $3.99. And so yeah, so that's this receipt. And then the one that I did the 10 off of 40 is right here. I didn't even know they still carried I didn't know they still carried 8 and 9 count. That's crazy. Who want, maybe at the dollar quarter more tree, maybe. And then this is the other one. Can you see it? Okay, with the glare. All right. And so yeah, other than that, I'm gonna go home and eat me some lunch. I've been doing my whole meal prep situation again, because your girl's been eating too much. And so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. Let me see a washing machine emoji, because your girl ain't got one right now. That being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.